The overall goal of the following experiment is to assess the effects of drug treatment upon cell structure and protein localization in BE cells. This is achieved by incubating the BE cells grown onto the glass cover slips with a chosen drug in standard cell culture conditions. As a second step, incubate the treated BE cells with a fixative which preserves protein structure and localization. Next, fixed BE cells are incubated sequentially with primary and fluorescently tagged secondary antibodies in order to visualize changes in the selected target protein via fluorescence microscopy. Results are obtained that show how drug treatment of BE cells alters protein localization and cell structure based on visualization of immunofluorescent staining.
Though this method can provide insight into Barrett's esophagus, it can also be applied to other systems, including cancer and normal cells.
Begin this procedure by placing the 18mm cover slips in a glass petri dish and autoclave them. Then, transfer the autoclaved cover slips to a 12-well tissue culture dish using a sterile glass pipette attached to a vacuum tube. After that, wash the cover slips with sterile PBS and media. Next, trypsinize the immortalized BE cells. Count the cells using an automated cell counter or a hemocytometer. Subsequently, dilute the cells in culture media to a concentration of 20,000 to 40,000 cells per milliliter. Then, place 1 milliliter of cells into each well containing a cover slip.